Hey guys, let me share with you the snacks I got Millie for the month of July. Alam niyo ba guys, some of these Jack and Jill snacks, kinalakihan ko at ng mga kapatid ko. Sobrang favorite namin to growing up. Isa na tong Choco Nuts, yung Presto Peanut Butter. Oh my God, pati yung Cremo, Magic Flakes. Guys, ito yung mga baon namin nung mga bata kami. Kaya sobrang nostalgic sa akin na ito na rin yung mga favorite ni Millie ngayon. Yes guys, you heard it right. I bought snacks good for a month. A, good job. How about this? You want the A, okay.
B.
Okay, B. B.
Blue.
Ah, you want the blue? Okay. Here, put it the blue.
Yeah.
What? Are you more star?
Blue.
More star.
Yeah.
Yes! Ito yun guys, ito yung nakuha kong free bag tag. So ang kailangan nyo lang gawin is purchase Jack and Jill Baontastic Favorites online to get the bag tag for free with the minimum purchase of 250 pesos. Available po yan sa URC official store on Shopee and Lazada. Tignan nyo naman yung happiness sa mukha ng anak ko, diba? These are the special moments na talagang hindi ko makakalimutan. That's why no matter how busy I am, I really make time for these moments with Millie kasi alam ko kahit makakalimutan niya to when she grows up, hindi ko to makakalimutan. Kaya guys, enjoy your Jack and Jill Baontastic favorite with your loved ones.